Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the weapon skin in Doom the Dark Ages. So to do it you have to go to the extra settings, then the second tab will be weapon skins, open it, and here we have all of the unlocked weapons. I have only 2, but I choose the shotgun, and as you can see we have default skin and the nightmare. We can inspect this skin in 3D model by using X on the keyboard or the inspect button, and here by using the mouse we can watch our gun from different positions. That will be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!